Good morning to all. So today during this class I will be sharing with you the solution for the sums based upon missing frequencies in case of mode number 1 and number 2. I would like to introduce to you people how to calculate the median of the grouped data. So first of all, look at this, how to calculate the missing frequencies in case of your mode. So two types we can discuss over there. Suppose the data, as you know, is class intervals are given to you and the frequencies on the two columns we need there. Class intervals are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and suppose it is 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. In that manner you can take the class intervals and then their frequencies are also there, and one of the frequencies suppose is missing. So I am saying this is 12, this is 20, this is X somewhere, I am taking missing one, and then suppose this is 26 and 7. Now I need to calculate this missing frequency. I am taking the case of one missing frequency first, then I will shift to the two missing frequencies. So what you can do here is, now suppose this is 30 to 40 is the one class interval. In such questions the mode will be given to you. So here the mode will be given to you. So mode is equal to of this data. Suppose is given to you is 42. Mode is 42. Now you need to calculate the missing frequencies. So if mode is 42, now model class I have to see. 42 is lying here in 40 to 50. So as therefore model class will be equal to what? Model class will be equal to what? 40 to 50. So once you are clear with the model class, then according to the formula you need to calculate the mode, you know, is L plus, then write down the formula like F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole into H, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we need all these F1, F0 at H or L to substitute finally here. On base of this model class, the lower limit I can put is 40. So here this is, and you know what is the F1. So F1 will be the frequency of the model class. F1 will be the frequency F1. This is the frequency of the model class. F0 is the frequency preceding to the model class. Frequency preceding to the model class is X, that you need to put there, and F2 is of succeeding one. So succeeding one is 6 here, and then now L is there, F1 is there, F0 is there, and F2 is also there. H, you know, is the class size that you can see here everywhere, that is equal to 10. So as the mode is given, I can substitute the value of mode there. Then L you put 40 from here, plus F1 is 26 minus F0 is X upon 2F1 means 26 into 2 to 26, F0 is again X, and F2 you can say is 6, and into H is 10. 36 into 2 is 52. 52 minus 6 will make it 46 minus x, and into this is 10. So this is 42 minus 40 will make it 2, and there it is by cross multiplying. Suppose I am saying 2 into 46 minus x will be equal to 10 into 26 minus x. You can do this calculation like that. 2 into 5, 10. So finally I am getting 46 minus x is equal to 5 into 26 minus x. Fine. So here it is 46 minus x is equal to minus 5x. Shift this to this side. This will make it 4x, and 130 minus 46 will make it somewhere 84, and x will be equal to 84 upon 4, that is equal to 22. So a missing frequency somewhere here you will be getting is equal to 22. So from the evolution's point of view also, sorry, this is not 22, this is 21. So 20, 84, 21 fours are 84. So then you can keep a check over there. Now if you replace that by 21, you can check the sum of the frequencies and then calculate the mode which is given to 42. In that way you can cross check also. So now suppose there are two frequencies which are missing. So with the same question you can do that practice here for the two frequencies. So now I am making this is equal to 1. Now I have calculated that answer is known to me. One is 21 and another which I replaced was 6. And some of the frequencies you need there. Once you are clear with this sum, 27, that is 92. So mode of the data for the same question I am explaining. If two missing frequencies are there, from the same data I have removed one of the frequency to me, but the difference in case of two missing frequencies, as I shared in question of mean with you, the sum of the frequencies will be given to you. How I can calculate the sum of the frequencies? Here I have said that is equal to 92. So if that is equal to 92, now in terms of this 12 plus 20 plus 26 plus 7, 20 plus 12 is 32 plus 33, 65. So 65 plus x plus y I am getting is equal to 92. So x plus y is equal to 92 minus 65. So x plus y I am getting is equal to 27. This is my equation number 1. And similarly, again the mode is equal to 42. So I know now the same procedure I need to follow. Let us see what change is taking place here in case of L, F1 and F0. L will remain same, that is equal to 40. L, modal class. F1 again is same, that is equal to 26. Frequency of the modal class. F0 is x here and F2 is y now. Preceding and succeeding. And h again is equal to what? 10. So again L plus you calculate the modus, that is L is equal to, so please you need to recall the formula, L plus F1 minus, as many times you will write down, you will definitely be able to cope up with the formula, F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So mode is given to you, that is equal to 42. L now is 40 here. This is plus F1 minus F0. So F1 is 26, F0 is X here, and then here it is 2F1. 2F1 again 2 into 26 plus minus F0 is X, minus F2 is minus Y, and into 10. So again you can see 42 is equal to 40 plus, here you will be getting 26 minus X upon 52 minus X minus Y into 10. So if you shift this to this side, 42 minus 40 will make it 2, and into 52 minus X minus Y. 2 into 52 minus X minus Y, I did the cross multiplication simultaneously, and is equal to 10 into 26 minus X. 10 into 26 minus X, that is this part. This I have cross multiplied by taking the difference of these two. So this also again I can cancel here. So 52 minus X minus Y. This is 52 minus X minus Y is equal to 130 minus 5X. So if you shift these X and Y to that side, or this you will bring to this side, that is your choice. 5X if you are taking to this side, 5X minus X will make it 4X minus Y is equal to 130 minus 52 will be 78. So this is the second equation. First equation x plus y is equal to 22. Then this is the second equation, 4x minus y is equal to 78. So now you just can check here. If I add these two, y and y will get eliminated. 4x plus x will make it 5x, and 27 plus 78, I will be getting 105. So I get 5x is equal to 105. So what will be x is equal to 105 upon 5, that is equal to 21. I did that. So first frequency is equal to 21. So if you are putting x is equal to 21 here, y will be equal to 27 minus 21, and that becomes is equal to 6. So your answer will be x is equal to 21 and y is equal to 6. So that is the case I discussed with you, where in case of mode the two frequencies are missing. So both the question, both the types can be there. F in case of missing frequency, single missing frequency, or two missing frequencies simultaneously can be there. So in case of second, when two of the frequencies are missing, you are always given with sum of the frequencies and the mode of the data. Use these two informations, and rest of the part you have to use in the same manner what you did in calculating the mode. So that's all about the discussion of calculating the missing frequencies, whether that is 1 or that is 2 in case of calculating the mode. Now how to calculate the median, calculation of median for the grouped data. Calculation of median again you see you have to work out within the group data to calculate the median. So you need data in exclusive form always. That is the first precaution you have to take. You have to check whether the data is in exclusive form or not. If it is not, please make that exclusive. Suppose I am taking here the class intervals are like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and then it is 50 to 60, something like that. And then second column, the frequencies. Frequencies for that 3, 5, 5, 7, 5 are the frequencies there. And in case of calculating the median, the third column you need is CA. This is called cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. This is the third column, cumulative frequency. So now, from the column of this frequency, you can get the cumulative frequencies. How you do that? In front of the first frequency, write 3 simultaneously. Whatever the frequency is, same will be the cumulative frequency of the first class interval. And for the second, this 3 plus 5, 8. For the third, 8 plus 5 is 13. Then 13 plus 7 is 20. And 20 plus 5 is 25. And then you check this sum always. This will be equal to 25. So, this last cumulative frequency and the sum of the frequencies will always be same. So that is the cross check you can do always if the sum you did in column of getting the cumulative frequency, whether you did it correctly or not. So your last cumulative frequency must be matching with the sum of the frequencies. In that way you can cross check. So that is a one-way process. Sometimes what happens, you are given with the cumulative frequency. So you need to go from cumulative frequency to frequency then. If the column is of frequencies given, so okay, from frequency to cumulative frequency you need to change. How you have to do that I made you understand. But if it is given the cumulative frequency, suppose the question is, these are the marks scored by the 25 students. So this 25 is indicating somewhere that sum of the frequencies is 25. And then the data is given like this. This is not there, and these are the frequencies. Those frequencies, number one, will always be there in increasing order. Number one. Number two, the last frequency of that data will always be equal to the number of students which are appearing in that test. As I said, is 25. So if that number is matching, means the frequency given to you is cumulative. So the another identification is that always will be there in ascending order. Now, how to convert this frequency into frequency also you can see. For that again, now suppose this is not there, I am going back from cumulative frequency to frequency, same frequencies I will be getting because I am discussing the case for the same data with you. So what you need to do, from cumulative frequency you need to change to frequency, again the same. First frequency will be same whatever the cumulative frequency. To write the second, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then 13 minus 8 is equal to again 5. Then 20 minus 13 is equal to 7. And finally 25 minus 20 will give you is equal to 5. So I have changed the cumulative frequencies into frequency. So that you need to keep a watch whether you are given with the frequencies. So you have to convert that frequency into cumulative frequency. If the cumulative frequencies are given, that can also be there. then you need to change that cumulative frequency into frequency. Through this example, I made you clear how to convert the frequencies into cumulative frequency and vice versa. Once you have done that, now so this task is over. Now write down the formula first to calculate the median of the grouped data. How to calculate the median of the grouped data? So median of the group data is always equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f, that is the frequency of the median class, into h. Here it is L plus n is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf whole upon f into h. Now look at this. What is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. N is the sum of the frequencies. N by 2 means I have to find n first, sum of the frequencies. N denotes sum of the frequencies. CF is the frequency of the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the preceding two median class. F is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class, and H is the class size. So this all information you need to clarify within yourselves before calculating the median of the grouped data. Now, as I said, the n is the sum of the frequencies. So you just can check here. Here n is equal to 25. So n by 2 will be equal to 25 upon 2, that is equal to 12.5. N by 2 is equal to 12.5. So when this n by 2 we are getting is equal to 12.5, now how to select the median class? That task you have to do from here. You need to keep a watch now in the column of cumulative frequency where this 12.5 is existing out of these frequencies. So definitely you will answer that is there in 13. This is 3, this is 8. So greater than 8 and less than 13, all the values are lying in this one. So this is the third one, and third class interval I do have is 30 to 40. So 30 to 40 is the median class. So if 30 to 40 is the median class, so L for this I will be getting is equal to 30 here. L for this I will be getting 30. N I already said is 25 here. So N by 2 will be 25 upon 2. CF I said is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. The median class is 30. Frequency of the median class is 5. And the frequency preceding to the median class is 8. So I will take that as equal to 8. Frequency of the median class here you can see is 5. And H class as you can see is 10 here. So you put all these values there in the formula. So you will be getting here 30 plus n by 2 means 12.5 minus CF, that is 8 here. As I said, upon F is what? 5, and your class size is what? 10. So somewhere you will be reaching 30 plus 12.5 minus 8 will make it 4.5. So 4.5 into, if you do the calculation, 2, so 30 plus 9, so your answer will be equal to 39. So 39 is the median for this particular data. So that I shared with you how to calculate the median of the grouped data. So that was the part of our discussion through this video lecture. How to calculate the median of the grouped data, number 1. And beforehand I discussed how to find the missing frequencies when the mode is given, whether that is 1 or 2. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice time.